Hammock camping requires you to bring a decent amount of camping gear in the woods along with you for perfect relaxation. But among a myriad of available gear options, it's really challenging to find what equipment you should choose and what to leave at home so that your pack doesn't become unnecessarily heavy. Hence, to eliminate the confusion and help you out, we've made a list of the top 6 best hammock camping gear on Amazon that's a must-have for every hammock camper. So without delaying more, let's check them out.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Fasten your favorite hammock with these trees or anything else in a snap with this Kammok Python tin, which boasts a simple anchoring mechanism that makes installing a breeze even for the first timer. The package contains 2 Python tin hammock straps, each made from heavy-duty polyester webbing. As a result, they'll last for an extended duration and have a high tensile strength of around 500 pounds. Each hammock strap contains 20 daisy chain points, which helps you hang and adjust your hammock on the comfiest form and lets you stay off the ground tension-free. For carrying convenience, these hammock straps come with a stuff sack manufactured from 40 denier ripstop nylon and has durable water-repellent coating, so adverse weather conditions won't be a barrier for the strap conveyance. Lastly, to facilitate carrying experience, the entire package weighs only 8.2 ounces. Designed with the highest grade down and made to provide unrivaled warmth to weight ratio, this Featherstone Moondance 25 will always help you experience a restful sleep while hanging on hammocks near the beach or in the woods. Its interior is crafted from tin denier calendared nylon to keep the PFC-free gray duck down and prevent the clammy-like feel that many campers experience while sleeping on hammocks using a top or underquilt. Apart from that, this top quilt's exterior is made from tin denier durable water-repellent nylon, which offers the superior loft, warmth, and comfort you require for a sound and comfortable sleep. Combined with an overstuffed draft collar and a horizontal box baffled design, this top quilt resists cold air from entering and heat from escaping. Additionally, this 27-ounce top quilt contains 2 pad straps compared with your sleeping pad and stuff sack for convenient carry. Overall, this Featherstone Moondance 25 is backed by top quality function to level up your sleeping experience in the great outdoors. Featuring premium quality material and ensuring ultimate warmth as well as comfort, this ayamaya Hammock Underquilt will let you encounter a comfy and restful sleep and will keep you warm and toasty in chilly temperatures. Made out of 20 denier ripstop nylon with a durable water-repellent coating, this Hammock Underquilt ensures optimal durability and can endure years of abuse. It also comes with a 300T polyester punji lining, which helps you stay warm and cozy even in cold weather. This 4-season Hammock Underquilt also boasts 200-gram hollow cotton filling to trap heat and keep your backside, in essence, the entire body, warm and comfortable. Finally, this underquilt features short bungee cord loops for an easy fix to your hammock and has a mesh sack and nylon compression sack for easy carry and efficient storage. Rest in your hammock with utmost comfort without experiencing the disturbance of pesky critters while the help of this Eagle's Nest Outfitters Guardian Bug Net, which is specifically designed to give you plenty of headroom but no room for bugs. It's manufactured from Skyweave mesh / 40 denier ripstop nylon, so this bug net will last for an extended period. It will always offer you 360-degree bug protection. This bug net offers significant features that's got gear loops, which allow you to hang essential hammock camping items close to you. And last but not least, these 15-ounce bug net offers a hassle-free setup. It means you don't need to go with traditional method of tying knots for installing your bug net. In summary, with superior quality material, ergonomic design, spacious interior, and essential gear loops, this Eagle's Nest Outfitters Guardian Bug Net will never let you down when it comes to all-around bug protection, storage, and comfort. Keep yourself dry in the rain and protected from the scorching sun while hammock camping with this Wise Owl Outfitters Rain Fly Tarp, which is thoughtfully manufactured to give you the coverage you need. Crafted from robust 210 ripstop nylon, this hammock tarp isn't going to disappoint you with its performance for the upcoming several years. It'll always give you unparalleled protection during a downpour and on blazing days. Unlike other rain tarps, this one supports effortless installation, while with the help of its integrated aluminum stakes, 10-inch guy lines, and cords, you can install a tarp in no time. Depending on the size, its weight ranges from 8.6 to 26 ounces, so carrying won't seem a hassle anymore. Lastly, this hammock tarp features a waterproof carry bag as well to make conveying it a lot easier. Now you know about the essential gear to take along with you for hammock camping, but without a top-quality hammock, you might end up experiencing not-so-comfy rest in the woods. So meet this Kammok Hammock single hammock. Manufactured from Gravitas 40 denier diamond ripstop nylon, this hammock will serve optimum performance for years to come. Aside from that, its shell contains a durable water-repellent coating, so whether it's monsoon or winter, you'll always remain dry. Now let's talk about its weight capacity. It can endure a maximum of 500 pounds of the user's weight, alongside offering a great lounge capacity of up to 2 people. This single hammock features 8 gear loops, which means you can keep all your essential camping gear within reach. Finally, this 10.7-ounce hammock comes with a water and abrasion-resistant stuff sack for effortless carrying. Overall, the Kammok single hammock is comfy, easy to install, and will indeed provide optimal hanging comfort, which you need the most in the wild. So that was our list of the top 6 best hammock camping gear on Amazon just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.